What's up, guys? Universal Mastery. So in today's video, what I'm going to be talking about is what to expect from angels. From working with angels specifically. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that I want to say is that I'm making this video right after the one before this, which is what to expect when working with demons. So I'm going to go in a row. This one's going to be what to expect with working with angels. And as you guys probably already know, they are different, okay? They are different, and they're more similar than you may think. But I'm going to specifically talk about angels. I'm going to give you guys an idea of how they operate, what they're capable of, and what to expect when working with them. So first thing that I'm going to start with is what is the difference from a demon to an angel, okay? Man, angels are very, let's see here. Angels tend, and I'm not going to say all of them, but they tend to have a brighter energy to them. Like, demons have a dark energy, okay? Most demons will manifest in a dark type of way, like just dark, like just a dark energy, like orbs of dark. Angels will be more see-through, like clear, like lighter, okay? They tend to manifest more like that, and they also, let's see here, they also like to bring justice to the table, meaning they like to influence you through justice. Like, was this right or was this wrong? In a good way, like in a way of like, if someone does you wrong, they like to influence you, like, don't let them do that anymore. Like I know for a fact Archangel Michael is really, he likes justice, meaning like if people have screwed you over, he wants you to put your foot down and say, don't let that happen again. Like, don't let that happen again. Stop it next time. Angels can be very straightforward, okay? They can be very harsh. Like, when you work with an angel, when you summon an angel, you may be expecting like this really light, like, creature coming down and just like patting you on the back and saying, oh my gosh, like, it's about time, like, I can't wait till you come to heaven. That's not what you're gonna get, okay? It's not what you're gonna get. You're gonna get a being that's gonna come down very, very strongly, very, very sincerely, and they're gonna look at you and say, what's going on? How can I help you? And then, most of the times they probably already know why you called them, so they're not gonna, they might not say that. They might say that just to see what you say, but most of the time they will already know what they're being called for and what's going on. And a lot of times if you call an angel and expect an angel to do what a demon would do for you, like just, hey, go do this for me, please, boom. Angels don't work like that. Angels are more, why would I do that for you? You know what I mean? Like if you're trying to have someone fall in love with you, if you're trying to have you're trying to do like little things like what demons would do. Demons love helping out. They love doing all this stuff. It gives them something to do. It feeds them energy. They like helping. That's what their nature is. Angels, on the other hand, are more like, okay, like when you call them, you better have a good reason. You better have something important to send them to do, or something important that you want to figure out, or else they're gonna approach you as if you're wasting their time. Once again, that justice, kind of like that justice idea. Like, they come down like, okay, like, did you just call me for that? Like, you fucking idiot. Like, don't call me to, curse this person that cursed you out. Like, why did you just call me to do that? And yes, for those of you who don't know, angels can curse people. You send the curse, but angels will go and do that bidding. Angels are darker than you think, okay? Angels, once again, they're harsh. They can be really harsh, and they are really, really powerful too. They also, they also bring that a very enlightened state of mind, They're good for working on your shadow as well, because they give you a sense of clarity. Angels have this ability to give you a really, really strong sense of clarity. Like, they make you understand things, and they make things look like point A to point B to point C. So you're like, okay, I'm going this direction, I'm going to go this direction, I'm going to go this direction, and then I'm going to achieve what I want to achieve. That's the energy of most angels. But at the same time, they're also darker than you think, meaning you will have some angels that will tell you, like, you know what, like, this person's fucking up your life, send me to go destroy them. Like, literally, like, they will tell you that. They will say, I will go and destroy this person for you. And when they say destroy, I mean destroy, like, ruin their life. And they will tell you that. And angels will also, this is another thing that you guys may not understand, angels will also tell you that the most powerful angels, there are some angels that have no choice, but the most powerful angels will tell you that they have nothing to do with Yahweh. Like, nothing whatsoever to do with Jesus. Nothing to do with Jehovah. And they have nothing to do with that. Okay? Meaning that most angels were created from the Christian mindset, meaning, like, through the religion, these beings were charged and they were energized and they were actually created. They were worshipped, in the Catholic religion. They really do worship angels. And in other, for centuries, they've been worshiping angels. No matter, like, whatever religion it was, okay? So they are real beings. But Yahweh didn't create them. People created them. The religion itself that was created for people to believe, when people started worshiping these beings, they became real. And the more people that started worshiping and working with and charging them, I mean, you have people in church that are singing songs to these beings, like, that's charging them. They are real and they are powerful. And they will tell you that they have nothing to do with heaven. They have nothing to do with Yahweh. They have nothing to do with Jesus. They are their own beings, and they do their own powerful things, but they are still angels. That's why most people that work with that have an idea of an angel will see an angel as this light being. They will show up as a light being. They may show up as a lightning bolt that strikes down, and they may look exactly like what you would think they look like a strong, handsome or beautiful man or woman that has integrity and power. But they will also be very straight up real with you. And they will say, look, you are fucking up right now. Do not call me until you get your shit together. Like, that is a great description of what an angel will do. Like, they will not want to work with you if you are not working with yourself. So, angels are, once again, they're very powerful. I love working. I'll be honest with you guys. Like, I haven't worked with angels in a while, and I haven't gone too deep into angels yet. I'm definitely going to. But it's because I've been doing my own path working right now with a lot of dark entities, a lot of, like, as you would call devils, like gods, like the dark gods, you can call them. So I've been working with that, and that's been taking up a lot of my time. So I'm going to dive into working with angels and fully exploring that pathway later down the road. But I have worked with angels. I've actually had angels show up to me. It's Archangel Michael specifically, Archangel Gabriel specifically, Raphael. Raphael and Michael work hand in hand. Gabriel works with them as well. They're like a trio. I've had Michael literally show up to me in a meditation. I saw a sign that Michael's showing up is you'll see a blue light. It's like a blue orb, if you will. And it just showed up to me, and he told me that, he's coming to heal me. And this was when I was doing a lot of shadow work. So he did, and he came and he healed me. And it was amazing. And so I've worked with Michael. Michael is great. Recently, Raziel has connections with Lucifer. So Lucifer is the fallen angel. Once again, it's not an actual person. Lucifer is not an actual person. It's a title. It's the light bearer. Okay, so Raziel is connected to Lucifer because he brings that sense of light, and they do work hand in hand. Like Lucifer, if he sees that you need Raziel, he'll tell Raziel, hey, go and work with him. Or vice versa. Hey, Raziel might go to Lucifer and be like, hey, you know, we need your help. Lucifer tends to be really powerful, right? Like he is at the top of the hierarchy. There's something about Lucifer that's very, 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 very ancient. So in my gnosis is Lucifer is probably telling Raziel, hey, look, let's go do this. But once again, Raziel is very powerful as well. Maybe that's why their names correlate so smoothly. Like Raziel is known to be one of the most powerful angels there is. From last I read, even more so than Michael. And Michael's powerful. So, and Lucifer is definitely one of the highest rank dark gods there is out there, 100%. So, you know, they go hand in hand. I could see that totally happening and being true. But that's how it works, guys. I want you to understand. It's not like angels are over here, demons are over here, they're fighting battles. No, this is not what it is, guys. I'm telling you what it really is. There's currents of energy out there, and they have their own signatures. And you know, that's just it. Don't fall into all the dogmas of what people are telling you. These people don't experience it. They're not going into this stuff. They're not doing the work like I'm doing. They're not sharing the knowledge from actual practice. These motherfuckers are armchair. Like, they hear something from somebody at work and they fucking tell you it like it's true. So just be aware of that, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much the most I can tell you about angels. Is, you know, they're very powerful. They're very straightforward. And once again, they can be dark too. They can be very dark. Like, I've had angels tell me to, you know, fuck with people before, like heavy, for good reasons. You know, they have their reasons, and I understand that. So it doesn't come off like, you know, crazy to me. But if you are not expecting an angel to say, hey, you know, I'm gonna go fuck this person's life up, I just need you to say it. I just need you to do it before I do it for you. Sometimes they'll do it for you. Sometimes, like, once you build a relationship, they will do that thing for you, or they will help. You know, it's always good to build relationships with these beings so that you can learn more about them, and then they can just work in your life. You know, they'll start to know what you want. They'll start to know who you are even more, and they will start to just work for you. So, you know, that's the most I can say right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell, because I'm posting videos as often as I can. And other than that, drop down in the description, click the link. It says Streamlabs. That will take you right to my merch, where I have symbols of power on my shirts. And whenever someone looks at that symbol, it charges it with a certain type of energy. And you can harness that energy by wearing that shirt, and it can manifest certain situations to happen in your life that wouldn't have happened if you weren't wearing that specific sigil. So go ahead and check that out. Other than that, I'm going to catch you guys on the next video, and peace.